So this week's word of the week for week number 33 is Tabata. Now Tabata is defined as high intensity interval training that lasts for 20 seconds of exercise movement and a 10-second rest. An example of a Tabata workout would be 8 exercise movements that are 20 seconds each with a 10-minute break in between each movement. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 31 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have squat presses. Exercise number 2, we have skaters. Exercise number 3, we have Russian twist. Exercise number 4, we have shoulder taps. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 31. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have squat presses. So what we're gonna do is get feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna go and squat down, and when we come up, we're actually gonna come up and pretend we have the weight of the world, and we're gonna press it up, okay? So squat and press, squat and press, okay? So that's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, we got skaters. So we're gonna start either to your left or to your right. I'm gonna start to my left. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leap with my right foot to the side. My back foot is gonna go behind. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, opposite way. And we're gonna go back and forth. And those are called skaters. Pretend you're on rollerblades or ice skating, going side to side. Exercise number 3, we're gonna go on down to our mats, to our bottoms. And we're gonna do Russian twist. So we're gonna lift our feet slightly up off the ground. We get our hands, pretend we have a ball. We're gonna go side to side, touch the floor, side to side, okay? This is our Russian twist. And then we're gonna flip over, and then we're gonna do shoulder taps, so in a push-up-like position. We're gonna hold our body up. While we hold our body up, we're gonna get one hand to come up, tap our shoulder, tap our other shoulder. These are called shoulder taps. So it looks like this, push-up position. One hand comes up off the ground, taps your shoulder, and you're gonna go side to side, okay? So there's gonna be our 4 exercises for today's Fast 5 workout number 31. So make sure you stay tuned, and we'll get to the workout in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Squat, and then press. Again, press the world up. There you go. Great job, kiddos. Great job, ladies and gents out there. Work hard, my friends. Let's go. Push the world up. Relieve that stress, my friends. Let's go. Squat press. Let's go. Woo! 5 more seconds. And skaters. All right, we start to the left and leap behind. Leap behind. Great job. Let's go. Remember, give it your all. Everything you guys have for 5 minutes, my friends. That's why it's called a Fast 5. These workouts only last 5 minutes. How many calories can we burn in this? Let's see, my friends, let's work. Everything we got. All right, go on down, Russian twist. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Side to side, tap the floor. Lift those feet up. Make sure you guys are breathing. Breathe in and out. Getting a good workout in today. Great way to start the morning, afternoon, finish the night. Good old Fast 5 workout. Shoulder taps, push-up position. Get one hand, tap your shoulder, side to side, let's go. Hold your body up. Try to keep that back straight. I don't see any bottoms in the air. Do your best, let's go. Shoulder taps. Shoulder taps, let's go. Please stop real quick, that's okay. Jump right back in, my friends. Everything you got, let's go. 5 minutes. You guys can do it, I promise you. And relax. All right, 1 minute rest. There we go. Round one is already done. Woo! Give me a Ric Flair out there. Woo! Great time to high five that subscribe button. High five that bell notification right now. And if you guys, again, have not checked out my other YouTube channel, do that after the workout. All right, my friends, 20 more seconds. Remember, catch your breath, breathe in and out. Deep breath in and out. All right, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Get round two. Round two's coming up. You're gonna start with those shoulder press into those skaters, Russian twist, finish it off with those shoulder taps. All right, my friends, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Squat and press, squat and press. This time I want you guys to lift your heels off the floor and push up. Push up, let's go. Woo! Push that world off of you. Push that stress off of you. Let's go. This is your time to shine, my friends. Woo! Tell me, kindergartners. Wake up, son. Let's go. Wake up. Wake the sun up. Woo! All right, skaters, here we go. And leap. Woo! We're not all perfect, my friends. Let's go. Do your best, have fun. That's what these fast 5 workouts are for. To have fun, get your workout in, enjoy the rest of your day. This is now exercise number 31, workout number 31. All right, get it on down. Lots to do, my friends. Russian twist. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go tap. Everything you got. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many can you do? 15. 20. All right, let's go. Shoulder taps. Finish it off, go. Up and tap. Up and tap. You're transferring your weight side to side. This is a great opportunity for you guys to develop some muscle strength and endurance for those one-hand push-ups. Let's go. And time. All right, my friends. Great job on that fast 5 workout number 31. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a personal fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that fast 5 workout number 31. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was the most challenging exercise? What was your favorite exercise from today's fast 5 workout? Drop a comment down below. And again, if you have not done so already, check out my fast 5 workouts YouTube channel, link down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called JumpMan. Woo! So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for JumpMan. Now I have a basket that can be replaced for a box, a bucket, a pot, whatever you guys have at home. I have 3 cones that can be switched out for shoes, pieces of clothes, t-shirts, whatever you guys have. Those are just your shooting marks, okay? And what you're gonna have to do in this activity is get a sock ball, and you're gonna have to do a jump shot and make it inside the basket. Now, when you're doing a jump shot, make sure your feet are staggered, which means your feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna bend your knees. You're gonna keep your elbow up, hand above your head, and you're gonna jump up in the air, flicking your wrist and jumping. So it looks like this. And you're gonna try to make that inside of the basket, okay? So, here's an example. Let's say I wanna shoot from the yellow and the green cone. If I make it from that point, I get 2 points. If I shoot it from the orange cone, which is a little bit further back, that's gonna be worth 3 points. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, take my jump shot. And voila! Mr. Garcia is gonna see how many points he can score in 1 minute. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and swap. 1, 2, jump shot. All right, missed. Going to grab it again. Get out and have 1 minute. Try to score as many points as I can. 1, 2, jump shot. Boom! 3 points right there. 1, 2, jump shot. 5 points. 1, 2, jump shot. 8 points. 1, 2, 10 points. The Garcia is on fire from downtown. 1, 2. Ah, spoke too soon. Let's go. 1, 2. Shot. Oh, short. 1, 2. 12 points. And time. Alright, so Mr. Garcia was able to get 12 points. Can you beat my score? They'll come down below. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game, JumpMan. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you would have modified it. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, #ThePESpot, so we can see those modifications in action. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.